Hi, this is from Source University. This is a job opening for technology senior consultant development for the Azure technology. The company name is Infogain. The experience need is 8 to 10 years. The location is Haryana. The second technology is public cloud or database Azure or SQL. The company name reverse Lynx. The experience need is 4 to 6 years. The location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The fourth technology is MS SQL DBA. The company name SQL Server. The location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. The fifth technology is Senior Lead Engineer or Azure SQL DBA. The company name WhiteCrow Research. The experience need is 8 to 10 years. The education required is B.Tech, BE, M.Tech or MCA. The location is Hyderabad. The fifth technology is Azure SQL DBA. The company name USG. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The fifth technology is SQL DBA. For the company name Leuwint Technologies. For experience is 5 years. The location is Bangalore. The next technology is Azure SQL DBA. Company name is Capgemini. Experience need is 6 to 9 years. Location is Pan India. The next technology is Azure SQL DBA for the company name Techwave Consulting Inc. The experience need is 7+ years. The location is Telangana. The link will be given in the video description for these jobs, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job ratings. Thank you.